Mat Mari is actually now my second most favorite song. When I heard the song, I liked it. I thought it was really nice. But the way Prabhu sir has choreographed it, I call it the Mawali song of our film. Because the Mawali Panti in that song is at another level. I mean, I have never done a song like this. And when Prabhu sir was showing me the steps, I was just laughing all the time because, it's not really dancing. It's a lot more of just the attitude and the way the boy is shadowing the girl. We were shooting in different locations. And the portion that you're talking about was in Panchgini, and we were not, it was not supposed to rain, but it was overcast and it started raining. And everybody was just in such a happy mood that Prabhu sir just looked at us and said that, so what if it's raining, go, we'll do the shooting in the rain. So we just had a lot of fun on the film, and whatever happened is out there for everybody to see, and it was amazing.
ये मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोजेक्ट था क्योंकि ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन में कभी भी नहीं आई डोंट थिंक एनी म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर विल गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन प्रभु सर डायरेक्टिंग एंड शाहिद डांसिंग आई थिंक आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस प्रोजेक्ट एंड इसमें बहुत ही मजेदार गाने हैं आई होप यू गाइज लाइक द सॉन्ग एंड
आपका फेवरेट गाना
मेरा फेवरेट गाना है साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी
साड़ी के फॉल सा जोरदार तालियां बजाइए साड़ी के फॉल सा
आई थिंक इट्स सुपरबली पिक्चराइज्ड इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सॉन्ग ever in my life which has been picturized like this.
Lyrics, na? Is it right to correct? Right to ask this question? Hindi, na? No, I think the situation, no? We will tell when we are sitting with the lyric writer or music director, we will use the situation. Then they used to decide and they will make me listen. The sounding, no? I go with the sounding, and then they will tell the meaning. I used to ask the meaning, the sound, the meaning. When it goes with it, yes, I tell it's good.
जी actually line है साड़ी के फॉल सा तुझे मैच किया रे. So it's about how two people are matching for each other. It's in that context. So it necessarily प्यार के बारे में नहीं है, पेयरिंग के बारे में है. तो हमारी पेयरिंग जो है वो साड़ी के फॉल की तरह मैचिंग है इस फिल्म के अंदर, चंदा और राजकुमार की पेयरिंग. और आई थिंक जिस तरह का कैरेक्टर राजकुमार है और जो जोन है हमारी फिल्म का, वो ऐसे ही एक्सप्लेन करेगा इन द मोस्ट सिंपलेस्ट पॉसिबल वे जो उसको समझ में आएगा. इनफैक्ट दैट्स माई फेवरेट सॉन्ग इन द फिल्म एंड आई रियली थिंक इट हैज वेरी यूनिक लिरिक्स एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. इनफैक्ट वो स्टेप भी जो हम लोगों ने ऐसे ऐसे करके किया है, एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड. मैंने कभी इस स्टाइल में आज से पहले डांस नहीं किया था और मुझे लगता था मैं ठीक ठाक डांसर हूं टिल आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विद प्रभु सर. And he used to come with this very angelic, serene smile on his face to rehearsal every day. Come, show. फिर वो दिखाते थे तो मैं ऐसे होता था. फिर उसके बाद वो बोलते थे do. उसके बाद 4 घंटे 5 घंटे में रिहर्स करता था. और he's being very kind by saying that it was easy. No, it wasn't. He's worked very hard to make me dance like this. And especially वो जो हम लोगों ने गंदी बात के अंदर वो वाला वो जो स्टेप किया है, it took a lot of time for me to get that, and I needed to rehearse a lot for it. And really, the way sir conceives things, I think it's a privilege to get to be choreographed by him. And honestly, in especially in the songs, I have just copied him. I've tried to copy him as much as I could. Obviously, it's not that good, but the attempt was to copy him.
Preparation, I think वो बोल रहा है मैं नहीं हूँ तीखी मिर्ची. क्या बोला? फिल्म के अंदर तो नहीं हूँ, बट राउडी बनने का एक्सपीरियंस है मेरा, तो वो आई थिंक वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड होके इस फिल्म में आ गया है. वैसे आर बहुत चीज़ों के लिए स्टैंड हो सकता है, तो राउडी उनमें से एक है. बनना पड़ा मुझे इस फिल्म के लिए.
Honestly, the title is a representation of the film. And I don't take it so seriously. I think it's about the character. The film is about R. Rajkumar, the character, and I'm fortunate to be doing it with Prabhu sir. I really like the title. I think it's a really nice title. So it's a representation of the film, and for me, I'm just playing the character that happens to be the title of the film. The film belongs to everybody. I'm a part of it, and everybody has contributed equally. In fact, I feel a lot of the people here, like Sonu, Prabhu sir, Sonakshi, have been in this space before, and I'm the one who's trying it for the first time. So I think I've learned from all of them out here.
To be hit, I don't know, we worked hard. We have wanted it, but it's God's grace then. But first time, as I told, not only this film, for every film what I work, I give my 200%. Like that, this film also I worked hard. We all worked hard.
of course, a bad dancer like me can look, I think a little better when you have, Prabhu sir on the set. I remember when he heard the song, he said, it's rocking and you're going to dance a lot. But, I was just doing 5% of what Prabhu sir was teaching, and still it looked very, very good. I think I need to do at least 15-20 films with him before I could actually start dancing. But I would say, Kaddu, this song is the like what Munni Badnaam was for me for Dabangg. I think Kaddu Katega is my Munni Badnaam in Rajkumar.
And I told the story to Sonu also. He told us good sir, and also I told the fights are there. Last climax fight is there. It's a good sir. And I told that scenes are there. It's good sir. And I told you have one song also you have to dance. Sir, the picture is very good sir. He told.
मतलब मैं अपने बारे में ही गंदी बात बताऊं?
सर आज तो बतानी पड़ेगी, गंदी बात हिट हो चुका है इतना।
मेरे बारे में गंदी बात यह है कि कुछ सवालों का जवाब मैं नहीं देता।
मुझ में कोई गंदी बात नहीं है।
प्रभु जी,
मैं अच्छा आदमी हूँ।
सोनू जी,
मेरे बारे में गंदी बात यह है कि मैं इतना कमाल का डांसर हूं कि अभी तक मुझे कोई टैप नहीं कर पाया। आई थिंक प्रभु सर ने थोड़ा सा किया, बट आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू लर्न इट।